Thank you for coming to stay with us, Stephanie. What shall we do?
I know, we're going to cause explosion at the shopping mall.
Sounds great. Let's do this.
Okay, so, the bomb will explode in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes. We did it. We caused explosion in the shopping mall. Now we can go home. Okay, now that we're home, what shall we do, Stephanie?
I know, why don't we watch my favorite movie, Barbie Fairytopia? This is my favorite movie of all time.
Sounds great. Let's watch.
Oh no. It's Natalie and Amy Rose. We're so busted.
Stephanie, Tom and Annie. How dare the three you cause an explosion in the shopping mall? Now you three should have destroyed it for good.
That's it. 3 of you are grounded for 576 months. Go to your rooms now.